everyone, and welcome back to Dolly Dreams! In today's video, it's me, Franco here, and I'm going to be unboxing this amazing Our Generation outfit. Voila! It's called Dino Snores, and it's an amazingly cute pyjama set for 18-inch dolls. And I wanted to have a little help with me today, so I chose me, Aria! So, as you can see, Aria's all dressed up, ready for bed in her pyjamas, so I thought it's time I got ready in mine. But of course we're going to review the set first, so me and Aria are going to take it in turns reviewing this wonderful set.
So, first of all, along the bottom of the set it says the name, and this one's called Dino Snores, and it says Our Generation and other details.
At the top it says Deluxe Outfit,
And then it has all the amazing clothing pieces and accessories.
along the top it says This is Our Story.
On the side it has things about our generation, social media and the environment.
And on the side it has loads of wonderful hearts.
On the back it has a paragraph about This is Our Story in English and French, and it says the same on every box. And then it has the picture of the outfit on a doll in a larger form. It has the name of the outfit, and the package is made from recycled material. That is excellent. And then it has everything the outfit includes in a selection of different languages.
So let's unbox the set now. I'm super excited.
The set is all unboxed, and this is everything that comes in it. Isn't it absolutely amazing?
So first of all we have this amazing dinosaur pyjama top. So it has these dark yellow sleeves and a long sleeve, which is absolutely amazing, but it's like slightly thin thick material, so it'd be perfect for winter or summer and all year round. It looks really bright on camera, that's because of the lighting here, but it is actually quite a dark yellow and it looks amazing. And then we have this like grey, like the top of it is grey and it has like grey, dark and lighter stripes on it. And it has this amazing dinosaur in two different shades of green, and it has yellow stitching. Not real stitching, this is just a graphic. There's like little lines that look like stitching. And then down here it has the Our Generation logo, which is at least, I'd say there's at least one of these in every outfit. And then it is Velcro on the back. And we love Velcro clothes, don't we, Aria?
Oh yes.
Because Velcro makes it so much easier.
Next, it comes with this adorable pair of pyjama trousers. So, they are really nice, like different shades of blue and yellow, like turquoise blue and yellow. It's like a square design if you ask me. So it looks slightly darker on camera than it is. But yeah, it's such a cute light blue and different shades of blue. It's like green and yellow as well. And then so the bottom is just exactly the same. We know sometimes things have like different design on the bottom. Not more so with pyjamas. Some pyjamas, not all pyjamas though. And then at the top it has this really cool little like knot with this elastic thing. But as you can see it's actually sewn on, but it's still such a cute detail. Like it's like exactly the same material as real pyjamas. So that is such an amazing detail. And then it is an elastic at the waist, which makes it perfectly and easy to put on your doll.
So next, it comes with this absolutely amazing pair of slippers. So they are a very hard plastic and like they don't bend very easy at all, but they are really cute. So first of all, it has this like fake fur and this looks absolutely amazing. And then it's like a dark blue, so it's meant to like fabric, I'm guessing, like harder fabric. And then this is where we put our foot, so I hope these fit. And the bottom it says OG and it has loads of love hearts, and we just love these slippers so much. Like honestly, these are so cute.
One of the most amazing parts of the set, if you ask me, is this absolutely amazing little stuffed toy dinosaur. We just love the Our Generation little dolls, so stuffed animals, because they're so cute. Like just Yes, they're amazing. So this is an absolutely amazing dinosaur. So it's this green, blue, turquoise colour, and then it's got these light creamy peach colour sewn on spots. So it's so cute, and then it's got such a cute mouth, so you can not really see it easily because we think it's slightly stitched in the same colour cotton as the fabric, but I think it's there. And it's got these lovely sewn on black eyes, and look at its tail. They do have labels hanging off and we don't cut them off, but yeah, these teddies are so cute. Like, honestly, this is adorable.
So everyone, finally it comes with this amazing outfit cut. So the doll modelling this outfit is Tyler, and I think he looks so cute. I'm sure I'm going to look just as good as Tyler does.
So everyone, now it's time for Franco to try on the outfit so that he can get ready for a lovely night's sleep.
So everyone, now I'm wearing this absolutely amazing pair of our generation pyjamas. And in case you're wondering why I still wear my beanie, this is because it's lucky and I never take it off unless I'm putting on a t-shirt or taking one off, which goes over my head, or from having my hair off, or doing my hair. That's the only time I take it off. And yes, I wear it in bed, I wear it in the bath, I wear it everywhere. So yeah, I just love this outfit so much. It looks so cute. Like, honestly, the stuffed little dinosaur, I just love how it looks on me as well. It just looks stunning. At first we thought the pajama bottoms were a bit short and they are tiny short, but that's okay because it looks so cute. And then with the slippers, and they went on like at first we thought they were going to be difficult, but then they just went straight on. I think they're going to stay on really well. So we are super pleased with this outfit.
So everyone, we really hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you're thinking of getting this outfit for any of your 18-inch dolls, we definitely recommend it as it's so cute.
I agree, Franco, and also I'll be very grateful you click like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone.
Bye.